Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a haul for you, another one. So basically I was saying that I wasn't going to go and buy anything on TikTok, but I couldn't help myself. It is a dangerous place. If you buy or if you go on TikTok, you'll know what I'm saying. So anyway, I was on Cariad's live the other day, Friday in fact, and PLouise were re-releasing their I forgot what the palette's called, but anyway, PLouise and Cariad were doing this bundle which I purchased. And also they were doing a deal on the Made by Mitchell bronzers, so I purchased some. I just need to delete the app from my phone. Anyway, I will show you firstly what I got from Mitchell. My goodness, it's sticky. Okay, there we go. So I got six of the bronzers. Now I paid £14. Now for just one of these is £16, so that is a huge saving. So let me work that out. £96. £96 worth of products for £14. I mean, I was stupid not to. So we have Hollow There, Cream Carve, Caramel Chisel, Toned Up, Blend and Snatch, Shady Business. So let's see if there's any like really dark ones. I will give to my daughter. This is Hollow There. This one looks, oh my god, look at my arm. Ew. Oh, that is a cool tone. That'll be nice for nose contour. That's really nice. That's really nice. Cream Curve. Oh, this is more warm. Nice. Caramel Chisel. This is more darker. Do they have a smell? No. Then Toned Up. I've got goose pimples all of a sudden. Goosebumps, whatever you call it. Nice. I really like these. Their blushes are insanely pigmented. Really love them. So I'm excited to try these out. Oh, this one is Blend and Snatch. Okay, this is quite dark. So yeah, it's in fact very dark. I will give that to my daughter. And then Shady Business. Okay, this is lighter. Nice. Oh. They are all the colours. Right, I'm going to wipe these off my arm and then I will show you what else I got. Okay, I am back. So now on to PLouise. So like I said before, this was the mystery bundle from PLouise and Cariad. I've ripped open the box because they are a bit of a bummer to open. Oh, see, the box is so big. Oh my god. Okay, so first up we have this Smoochy lip pencil, sharpenable pencil. This is in Sensational. Oh, it's a brown. We love a brown. Oh, it's quite warm toned. That's really lovely. The pencil that I got before, oh goodness, this one, no, not that one. Oh, it must be in my makeup bag. It's really, really light, so it's here, which is XOXO. I'll show you what it looks like. This is really, really light for a lip liner for me, so I put it in my waterline and it works pretty well. So there's that. So I'm happy about that. These are normally retailed at about, I want to say £10 or £12. I'll put the prices up on the screen. Oh, for this box I paid £22. Now we were guaranteed to get the palette, which is worth I think about £47. So again, I would have been stupid not to buy it. So this is the Dip In With Benefits. The Lip Drip. What are you? Lip gloss. Oh, okay, I've got one of these. Oh, it looks like a red. Oh, nice. But look at the packaging. Isn't that beaut? Okay, it doesn't have a smell. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Look how shiny that is. I love. Can't get it on. Wipe that off. I think these retail for, again, £10 or £12. Again, I will put the price on screen. Then we've got these really, really fluffy eyelashes. Eyes on my money. Look how fluffy and long they are. I will not wear them because I wear glasses and I will probably have to put my glasses right down the end of my nose. So I'm sure I can find a home for those. They're about a tenner, I think. And then, oh, thank God for that. I was so worried I was going to get the lemon one because lemon's not my favourite. So this is the Bad B Energy Juice Strawberry Squeeze. Look at the packaging. I mean, so this is, oh, it has 1 lip conditioner and 1 lip oil. %, concentrate on yourself. Locks in hydration. Strawberry Squeeze. Protect your pout lip conditioner. So berry cute. Stay shining lip oil. Oh, I'm so excited for this. How are we going to get into that? This packaging is just too bloody cute. I can smell it already. Strawberry Squeeze. Protect and hydrate dry and damaged lips with each application. Confidence in your skin means confidence within. I mean, look, like a little key ring. Stick it on your keys. I won't. I will just keep it in my bag. Smells delightful. And then this Stay Shining Super Hydrating Formula. So very cute. Look at the packaging. That is bloody gorgeous. Oh my god. Smells delicious. How'd you get it back in? There we go. Packaging is bloody cute. Right, I might as well just move you. Right, now for the start of the show. I'm so excited for this. If the crown fits. Now, I think this is her most popular palette. Like I say, I got this before the release, so they were releasing it at 9 o'clock, and I got it about, well, I ordered it for about 7 o'clock, I think. But look at the crowns. Hang on. They're stuck, but the crowns do move. They're just a little wedged, but yeah. Let's move you. So excited. Look at the little clasp. Love it. Oh, let's move this. Oh my god. I'm so happy I got this. Look at those. They are gorgeous. We've got a big mirror. See yourself as the queen you are. Love that. And then you pull here. And then you get another. I mean, look. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. I am so happy. I love PLouise. I really love PLouise's stuff. But yeah, if you're looking for some great bargains, go on to TikTok shop. I mean, I got all of that. That's over £100 worth of product excuse me, yeah. Over £100 worth of product, I paid 22 quid. Same with Mitchell. What did I work it out as? About £96. And I paid 14 quid. So, I'm just saying. If you're looking for Christmas presents, I would go on TikTok shop. But be careful, it's very, very addictive. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next one. Bye bye.